Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is an IELTS class, and today we will discuss one of those skills. Like we all need to know, and we are familiar what IELTS is. And basically, there are 4 skills that are tested by the IELTS examiner. That is listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And specifically today, we will talk about what is speaking. The students must know and they must be aware of that what the student is expected to test as far as speaking is concerned. So there are basically 4 criteria. We say the student's pronunciation, fluency, grammatical range and accuracy, whether he grammatically, the sentence structure he produced is whether correct or incorrect, and then lastly, that is known as lexical resource. We call it vocabulary. That the students must possess or exhibit these 4 skills, these 4 things, rather we would say these 4 values in order to get maximum band score in IELTS. So first of all, we will talk about pronunciation. What is pronunciation? There are 2 things. One is pronunciation, the other is accent. Accent is typically related to individual ability of a person, the way he speaks. But pronunciation is the way we pronounce the words. This is very important. Accent doesn't matter because fortunately or unfortunately, we are non-native speakers, and exactly since our first language is Punjabi or Urdu, so that first language influence is vivid over here. So therefore, most of the time, we use or we pronounce a word that exhibits the first language effect on it. So when we talk about pronunciation, we must be aware of the fact that how to pronounce the words. The words with stress pattern, very importantly, that the students must know that every word, is it either single syllable word or 2 syllable words or the 3 syllable words. There's some specific stress pattern that falls as the word progresses, and then which syllable is stressed. The student must be aware of the fact that which syllable is stressed or which sound is required to pronounce. Sometimes we produce a sound, for example, commonly used, we say Saturday. The word we use, we say Saturday, which in fact is not, cha sound is not pronounced by the RP. RP means the received pronunciation. It is called Saturday. And we use word particular or emergency. And these words are pronounced just because of that the first language impact or influence is vivid. So this word is particular, emergency, not emergency. So we must be aware of the fact that at least the pronunciation of the words should be correct, because these are the 4 core values that are checked or that are tested by your examiner when you are appearing for IELTS speaking. So let's talk about something related to stress pattern. The stress pattern is a pattern that when we pronounce the word, we pronounce it either with the stress or we prolong it. For example, this is a word, I say it is present or present. Look at that, these 2 words. Same spelling, meaning is different, and as far as pronunciation is concerned, that is different too. You can see a little mark over here. That is called present. Stress falls over here. You have to press this word. Present. It is noun. And when the stress shifts, when we use it as a verb, like I am presenting this, I am presenting a lecture related to speaking. So I would say present. It's not present, it's a present. So stress falls over there. There's another word over here. For example, we say effect and affect. This is noun and this is verb. So a student must be aware of the fact that whether the word is noun or verb. And first of all, he must know the grammatical category of the word and then ultimately know how to pronounce this word. So this is all about pronunciation. We'll keep on doing that. We will talk about fluency and grammatical range and accuracy and lexical resources in the later videos. Thank you very much.